Donna, Janie, Fran, Pam, Di, Diane, Rita, Jean, Barb, Tony, Mick, Susan, and Sue set out to enjoy an Easter celebration filled with wine and food at the Deception Bay Tavern when mysterious events start happening. While the friends are laughing and toasting each other, a strange object suddenly appears on the table, causing them to look startled and exchange confused glances. Pam is curiously examining the strange object, while the others look on with expressions of bewilderment and concern. The tavern's lights flicker ominously, creating an unsettling atmosphere. Jean-Barbe suggests they investigate the mysterious object as the group leans in closer, intrigued yet apprehensive. Outside the tavern, a sudden gust of wind rattles the windows, heightening the tension. Tony nervously glances around the tavern, while Fran attempts to lighten the mood with a joke, although the laughter feels forced. Meanwhile, a mysterious figure can be seen peering through the window, barely visible in the shadows. Mick stands up and proposes a toast, trying to distract everyone from the eerie atmosphere, while Susan raises her glass with a hesitant smile. Suddenly, the room grows cold, and a ghostly whisper echoes around them, causing the friends to shiver in unease. Fran dramatically stands up, pretending to be possessed, speaking in a quirky voice that makes everyone laugh despite their fear. The friends, half amused and half scared, join in on the act, taking turns to mimic Fran's exaggerated possession. The tavern owner, an elderly man, walks in looking bewildered by the commotion and raises an eyebrow at the group. Pam then notices the strange object on the table glowing faintly, causing everyone to pause and stare. Fran's expression turns serious as she leans closer to the glowing object, her eyes wide with curiosity and concern. The friends exchange worried glances as the room begins to buzz with electric energy, heightening the suspense. The glowing object suddenly emits a bright light, illuminating the entire tavern and casting eerie shadows on the walls. Fran gasps in surprise and dramatically falls back into a chair, pretending to be overwhelmed by the possession. The friends burst into laughter, relieved, as Fran continues her act with exaggerated facial expressions and gestures. Tony, pretending to be scared, dramatically shouts that they should perform an exorcism, making the group laugh even more. The tavern owner shakes his head and chuckles at the antics of the group, amused by their humor in the bizarre situation. Suddenly, the glowing object emits a series of strange sounds, causing the friends to stop laughing and look at it in surprise. Pam jumps up, excitedly declaring that they must uncover the secrets of the glowing object, now that it seems to be communicating. Jean-Barbe pulls out her phone, ready to record the strange event, as the friends huddle closer together around the table. The glowing object begins projecting holographic images of ancient symbols and mysterious landscapes above the table, captivating the friends' attention. They lean in closer, their expressions filled with awe and wonder as they attempt to decipher the meanings of the symbols. Fran excitedly points at one of the symbols, claiming it resembles a treasure map leading to hidden riches. Tony, with wide eyes, suggests that they could embark on an adventure to find this treasure, inspiring cheers from the group. The friends gather around the table, plotting their adventure, with Pam enthusiastically drawing a makeshift map on a napkin. The elderly tavern owner watches them with a mix of amusement and disbelief, shaking his head as he cleans up.